Okay, New York session done. New York, I took 2 trades, one on SPX, one on NAS. Get right to the trades. SPX, no signal day on SPX, but there is higher time frames, all higher time frames pushing down. But there is a weekly signal bar. It's a trend breakout. That's when the last bullish breakout level gets taken out by a bearish one. So I'm expecting the weekly time frame to start reversing direction. So on these trend breakouts, I'm looking for a trend retracement setup. Trend retracement setup is, this is a daily trend retracement setup, but on the weekly, I'm looking for a previous day high fake out, which I got right here. High of the week. It is the high of the week. Previous week low is untriggered. Previous week low is untriggered and going in the direction of the week breakout level. And we are underneath the week breakout low. So this is a trend retracement setup on the weekly. So 8:30 NY equity open. Right before that, there was a M15 fake out bar, and so it faked out the previous day high. We have the previous H8 high right below that fake out level. We have the H8 breakout level right here, and we have the daily open right here as well. So lots of clusters in that area. I was waiting for, since we have lots of higher time frames pushing down, I was waiting for a push past those levels, which happened when NY opened. So I entered straight as price got below the H8 breakout level, stop loss at the high of the day, 1 bar stop, and holding it down to previous week low. On these weekly signal bars, I'm on signal weeks. I'm looking for a continuation of the move. That's why I'm looking for a previous week low. So whenever I'm trading weekly setups, I'm looking for weekly levels. So originally, I wanted to take partials at the previous day low, but price just blew right by it. I didn't see that there was any need to take any partials there. Basically, I'm looking for a fake out, a bullish breakout level that takes out the last bearish one. And so we got one here that's below the previous day low. Never happened before that previous day low, but there was no follow through. So I did not think about taking partials there. But once I got this M15 fake out, this white bar right here, then I ended up taking partials. So took partials about 7R, and I'm holding my runners. Since this is a weekly setup, I'm expecting this to continue on. Um, and so I probably won't be. I won't stop my trade over here. I'm just going to be holding my runners probably till the end of the week. Hopefully, if it wants to continue going. Yeah. So that was the first trade I took. Trend retracement on the weekly signal week. Trend breakout signal week. Yeah. So yeah, that's first trade I took, and then after that I took NAS. Same exact thing. They had a signal week on the weekly trend breakout signal week, exactly the same. I'm looking for trend retracement, which is at the high of the week, and so today's at the high of the week. And initially, I did not like this at 8:30 because at NY Equity Open because we have an M15 fake out bar above the previous day high. But after the next M15 closed below that, then I was okay taking this. The other thing I didn't like about this was it was actually above the day breakout level as well. So usually I don't like to trade those, but once I saw this bar take out the previous H8 high, the previous day high, and the H8 breakout level, and close to the daily open, then I was okay taking this down. Um, Also had a nice confluence with the SPX move. So ended up taking this straight off of the M15 price. As price got below this daily open, I entered and holding it down to the previous week low. And the same thing, was looking for taking partials at the previous day low. In this case, there was a fake out right here. This M5 bar that took out the last M5 bearish bar right at the previous day low right here. So I ended up taking partials right there. So it took partials at about 2.5R. And again, we'll be trying to hold the rest. I'm at break even. Hopefully it goes, but if it doesn't, it's still a nice trade for me. And that is it. So two pretty identical trades. I initially wasn't planning to trade NAS at all because SPX was so much nicer. The day breakout level was right there. I didn't like the day breakout level being so far, but once SPX just started dumping, then I started looking at NAS as well. And once I saw the fake out of the previous day high and the H8 breakout level, then I was ready to take this one as well. Um, US 30, I didn't see anything. I was bearish on it, but this is just not the typical structure I trade. So no trades for me on US 30. Um, I don't look at D30. Oil, I was looking for sells on oil. Um, Oil is a pretty slippery one, honestly. It always moves when I'm not looking at it. So this was in between my sessions. Was looking for a sell in London, but did broke out instead. Here it faked out the H4 high right underneath this H8 breakout level. That's a breakout continuation setup for me. But yeah, this is not when I'm looking at this chart. So no trades on oil. Gold also moved for news. Did not look at gold for the news, but was thinking of a continuation. There was a nice M15 fake out here that would give me uh, some nice confidence to take a continuation back down. But at this time, I already knew that NAS and SPX would be the trades that I would take. I didn't want to waste my risk on such a small move. I already knew that these would be the big moves just based on the signal week. And that's it. Did not look at forex. I did all my watch list, but I did not look at them. Yeah. So that's it. Two trades, trend retracement on the week on both NAS and SPX.